Good morning, guys. So today I am going to the beach with my friend. Yes, guys, so she's on her way to come and pick me up, so I just thought that I'd do a little intro and probably vlog today. So yeah, I'll see you guys when she's here. So we're here, guys. Finally on our way to the beach, y'all. Food, guys. Cheese patty. Orange juice. No, I hear them, but I don't hear them. Okay, guys, so we're here in Pleasure Cove. Yeah.
So we're gonna swim.
Per. See, if you don't have friends who take you out, then are they your friends? Like, what? Really? Come here.
Oh wait, we should take the thing. Oh, may we have the blankets?
Per.
Yes.
Alright, guys.
So we are walked up on the beach.
Nice.
Sun look pretty.
You see any sand, Gabriel? Gabriel and Truth? I know we don't see any sand.
The only thing is, this thing is rocky. Suppose we never have enough friends.
No, sir. Go see me and roll down the people. Thing.
Coming like down river. You have to climb a little something to go down now the fast. Like,
Look like some tourists with my tripod. Vlogging on all these things.
oh my god! No lifeguard on these, you see my ear owners. No way, it looks strong.
Wow. Very.
So all we know is by the beach and now it's by
Alright,
the beach.
does one sit down?
I know. I also put your things on that bench thingy.
So everybody gonna hold like this? So I was wondering if we can stay here. Nice.
You know you can't swim, you don't go out.
Nice.
Couples resort and so many guys. I'm give you a present. What do I do?
So guys, we're here.
We're
I said that
here.
already, though.
Yes, you said it's
I'm
already.
saying it again that we're here.
We are at Pleasure Cove on the border
In
of
where
St.
we?
Mary
Yeah,
and
St.
St. Anne.
Per.
Yeah.
We're going to the water now?
Soon.
Today, all those don't know, we edit these and send them to you.
No, thank you.
Alright, we change your mind now we are around, alright?
Okay.
Alright, get 305
Alright.
Yes, guys.
We have to see the water cool first, you know?
If we're going to do a test.
Open my teeth now up here and keep move the cracks.
Guys, we're going to do a test.
In full clothing.
In full clothing, right? Nice.
The sun feels cold though. The sun just a shine.
Guys, we're out here. Nice. Guys, the water is pretty nice.
It feels nice.
Yeah. We're ready for going now. Come there, right?
I'm not gonna further. I cannot swim.
This lighting though. So guys, we're going to go into the water right now. Because that's what we came here for. People looking at me as if I'm crazy. Oh gosh.
In the water.
Guys, out here actually nice, you know, it's not bad.
It really is.
And there's not a lot of persons as you can see in the background.
It don't mean something for flood it though, because we don't want the
Yeah.
place locked down.
Don't do that. Okay guys, so I was supposed to say that I'm going to be doing a montage and I did not remember to do that. So in 3, 2, in 3, 2, in 3, 2. Huh?
We're coming to bring in the vlog.
Oh, you're bringing the vlog? Yeah. What about now? Say hi. Of course. Hi guys, how you all doing? Happy New Year? Yes? Well, me, I'm a good family friend. And I'm just here down on the beach. See this? Yeah, long time we don't get the water.
You just made a chaperone.
Am I now? I ain't chaperoning nobody. I'm taking care of one child. The other one, a big somebody. And that's me, guys. I'm the child. And Gabriel is a big smarty. Okay, guys. So we're leaving to go to another beach.
We're going to buy food first.
Yeah, we're going to buy food. Then we're going to another beach. Living the bougie style. Sometimes say so I catch up my hair, Gabriel.
I didn't even.
I'm doing a whole side ponytail, like, who do I think I am?
Okay guys, so we're getting food at
Jerk
a
chicken.
jerk spot in Ocho Rios.
In
We'll leave it
Ocho.
to the sign.
Those to the sign it.
Forgot what the place called.
Right name? Ocho Rios Jerk Center Bar and Grill. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Tanniqua, that's content.
Nice.
Huh?
Love to see it.
Love to see it work. It's salty though. Am I right? It's actually salty? It's a bit salty.
It's super salty.
Yes, it
Tell the
is.
viewers that
Yeah, it's a bit salty today.
nice.
The chef needs to send some man out here for this manish water. I tell you, manish water, and this is the only man that came in it. Look, this is the only man that come in it. I really don't know if it's a man or a she.
I get one piece of half a man.
I got nothing. So as you can see, the two young people don't want none of the man. That is quite fine, gone and already for no man yet.
Them barely reach. Them barely reach 18.
Redo your face, Trish. I didn't get it.
It's not how this works. There's no take twos. Wanna guess this? Names are?
Birds. No hesitation. No confrontation.
Let's
Let's go. Starting with Tanniqua.
What are we doing, girls?
I
Birds.
said birds.
Flamingo.
Dove.
Hawk.
know what that is.
Pigeon.
ostrich.
Dr. Bird.
Flamingo.
I said flamingo already. Yes.
So,
That was nice.
Let's go again now.
Can we not do birds?
Alright.
Alright, you got this time. Hands on the 85. On again. Words. Family. Words.
Oh no.
So after you tell us so we can the words, you'd even come up with something. Girls. Starting with Gabriel.
Gabriel.
Tanniqua.
Martha.
You didn't even say your own name.
Danielle.
Trish.
Daniel.
Abigail.
Patricia. Avis.
Davia.
Doreen.
Amy.
Gabriel is here.
Thank you.
You were not chicken. You were
No, it's not chicken.
half a pot here. Quarter pot here. The other chicken is there. Take the lid on the bun.
Thank you.
You guys are.
So guys, we're at Castleton. It's a Gabriel, hurry up now. Yes guys, we're at Castleton.
Castleton Garden. We'll go swimming at the river.
For like 10 minutes. So yeah.
This morning.
I don't think I can have this. That's a problem.
I'm going to tie them on either side.
Look at my. Oh, here, nice. Say hi, Gabriel. Nah, but it's the background though. Nice. These people out here looking at me like. Okay, guys. So this is basically the end of today's vlog. Well, it was a very.
It was eventful.
Yeah, it was very eventful. I enjoyed myself. Thanks, friend.
Welcome, friend. So come on the road again.
But until next time, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Share
And
with a friend.
like, don't be shy. Like,
One
anyways,
more time.
bye.